I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed, and today I would like to discuss floor insulation. Floor insulation is a building regulation requirement for most homes. The effective solution for your building to resist heat loss is to install floor insulation. Before we go deep into floor insulation, it's important that you understand the two types of floors. There are two main types of floors: suspended floors and solid floors. The first order of business is to identify whether you have a suspended floor or not. If there is a void underneath the floorboards itself, well, you've got yourself a suspended floor, a timber suspended floor at that. Suspended floors cause a lot of heat loss without insulation. Suspended beam and block floors will require a damp-proof membrane and insulation. When it comes to solid floors, they are not as prone to losing heat. Solid floors naturally offer more insulation than suspended floors. As there are no voids, solid floors hold more heat and don't let it escape as well. However, to meet building regulations, there is a need for insulation, either under the concrete slab or between the concrete slab and a floor screed. Moisture always needs to be controlled, and a damp-proof membrane is essential. There is a wide range of floor insulation products on the market, made from different materials and all with different thermal resistance and strength. R values. Floor insulation resistance to conductive heat flow is measured by its thermal resistance, or R value. Simply, the higher the R value, the greater the insulating properties. The thicker the insulation you have, the R value will increase proportionately for the same product. The R value varies from product to product, so please bear this in mind when targeting a specific U value for your building. Expanded polystyrene, or better known as EPS, is manufactured using small beads of foam. Heat is used to expand the beads and bond them together, thus creating a closed cell structure. Produced in a variety of strengths, it can also be cut specifically to your required depth, which is very useful when using as void fill. EPS is very much the budget brand of insulation. Extruded polystyrene is a closed cell structure which has a smooth surface on all sides, as opposed to EPS insulation, which has a more texture to it. Due to the smooth nature of the boards, this prevents water from penetrating. PIR. Commonly known as rigid boards, a PIR board normally is faced with aluminium foil. This foil provides extra insulating properties, thus giving it improved performance. Insulation slabs. They're made of flexible materials. They are normally lightweight and trap the heat within the structure, rock wool being an example, often used in between joists and on top of concrete. I hope this has given you an overview of floor insulation. However, if you would like U value calculations or just general advice, please contact us. We love to help.